so often I notice that my running lights, well, the truck is completely off, and it's been off for about an hour or so, and all of a sudden the running lights will turn on and off, the tailgate will drop, the back cargo light will be on, and if it continues going on and off like that for a while, the battery goes dead.
Have you replaced anything for this so far, or no?
Yeah, I put a brand new battery. I looked online, and I put a brand new battery in. That seemed to solve the problem, but it's back again.
Here's a case study. Let me read this to you. 2015 Ford F-150 customer concern. The interior lights, puddle lights, and cargo lights come on by themselves. And there's a couple of diagnostic trouble codes stored in the body control module. I'm not sure if that's exactly what's going on with your vehicle, but it sounds like it could be similar. Let me read this to you. It says, before extensive testing, perform and attach the headlamp, switch, jumper test. If all codes clear and the lights no longer come on, replace the switch. See attached replacement procedure. Looks like the headlight switch, for whatever reason, goes bad, causing some pretty odd electrical problems on the vehicle. So that's one thing to consider. What you could do too is if you want to run some tests before pulling the trigger, replacing the headlamp switch, you could check for codes in the body control module with a compatible scan tool.
Right. Yeah, that's a simple fix with the headlight switch.
Yep.
So
I'm sure there's going to be codes in the BCM.
Right. I'll give that a shot.
Sounds good.
I appreciate it very much.
You bet. You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.